Hi everybody. Today we're going to work on Unit 11, Lesson 1. So we're going to start on page 612 in your math book. Now this unit is working on takeaway using two-digit numbers. So on page 612, it starts by showing us that we already know how to subtract. When we subtract ones, they have us start with 5 ones. And when we take away 1, which is 5, take away 1, we are left with 4. So if we know how to do that with ones, we can do that with tens. So here we have 5 tens, 5 tens, and if we take 1 10 away, we're left with 4 tens. So then we think over here, what does that mean? 5 tens is 50, so that's 50. 1 10 is 10, so we take away 10. So I'm taking 50 dots, take away 10, and I'm left with 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 50 take away 10 is 40. 5 tens minus 1 10 equals 4 tens. 50 take away 10 equals 40. So let's look at number 1. Number 1 starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10 sticks, 7 tens, and they cross off 1 10. And then we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And if we write those down in numbers, 7 tens is 70, minus 1 10 is 10, equals 6 tens, which is 60. So 70 minus 10 equals 60. All right, number 2. We start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, which would be 60, minus 2 tens, which is 20, and then we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, which is 40. All right, over here in the box, do you understand? It says when you solve 40 minus 10, or 40 take away 10, how does the tens digit change? How does the ones digit change? So if we had 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, we have 4 tens, we take away 1 10. Okay, the tens are going to drop by 1, right? Now we only have 3 tens, and notice nothing happens to the ones. The 1 stays a 0. So the tens digit changes by 1, it's going to drop by 1 10, and then the ones, nothing happens to it. All right, what I'd like you to do now is to pause the video, work on pages 613 and 614. When you're done, push play and we will go over the answers together. All right, so now let's look at page 613. Number 3, we start with 8 tens, which is 80. Take away 3 tens, which is 30, leaving us with 5 tens, which is 50. Number 4, 5 tens is 50, minus 1 10, which is 10, leaves us with 4 tens, 40. Number 5, we start with 8 tens, which is 80, take away 2 tens, which is 20, leaves us with 6 tens, which is 60. Number 6, we start with 6 tens, which is 60, take away 3 tens, which is 30, leaves us with 3 tens, which is 30. If you turn to page 614, we have a word problem. Ethan has 30 crayons. He gives 10 crayons away, so he's getting rid of 10. How many crayons does Ethan have now? So he starts with 30, minus the 10 that he gives away. 3 tens minus 1 10 is 2 tens, or 20. He has 20 crayons. Jacob solved these problems. Did Jacob subtract 1 or 10? Finish the equations. So if we have 50 minus something gives us 40. So if we think back, the tens, 5 tens minus how many would give us 4? 110, right? 50 minus 10 is 40. Now this time, look at 60, we're left with 59. Notice the ones digit changed. So we're not taking away a 10, we're taking away a 1. All right, number 9, you'll need to ask an adult to check for you. Number 10, it tells us that 20 teddy bears are for sale at the store. After a day, 10 teddy bears have been sold, so I crossed off 10 of the teddy bears. How many teddy bears are on sale at the store now? Well, we started with 20. We sold 10. They disappeared. They went away. So it's take away 10. And if we have 2 tens minus 1 10, we're left with 1 10. So your answer is 10. All right, it is now time to do homework, pages 615 and 616. When you're done, please have an adult check it or take a picture and send it to your teacher. Have a great day.